Toxic people rarely destroy a life with one explosive event. The damage happens in quiet increments, a tiny boundary crossed here, a passive-aggressive comment there, until your peace of mind is covered in microscopic fractures. When someone attacks your character or deliberately misunderstands you, your biological instinct is to fight back. You want to explain yourself, present the evidence, and prove your worth. Thousands of years ago, Stoic philosophers developed a specific countermeasure to this dynamic. They discovered that the most effective defense against manipulation is consistent, unshakable non-reaction. Truth 1. Toxic individuals rely on your emotional reactions to survive. Your anger, your hurt, and your attempts to defend yourself are the exact fuels they use to sustain their behavior. Truth 2. Manipulators don't bulldoze your boundaries on day one. They run tiny, calculated tests to see exactly how much discomfort you are willing to tolerate. Truth 3. Disrespect is frequently packaged as a joke. It is designed specifically so that if you object, they can accuse you of being too sensitive. Enduring constant disrespect destroys your character, even as you convince yourself that you are being patient. Constant accommodation effectively erodes your peace of mind, under the guise of being virtuous. Engaging on their terms feeds the conflict. Every defensive explanation you provide gives them a new point of entry to manipulate your words and redirect the conversation back toward your perceived flaws. Truth 5. Expect resistance when you try to improve yourself. Manipulators will actively sabotage your personal growth because your developing clarity and stronger boundaries directly threaten their control. Truth 6 requires a shift in perspective. You have to stop treating every argument or guilt trip as an isolated incident. These aren't accidents. They are a predictable, repeating cycle of behavior. The Stoic dichotomy of control divides reality into an outer ring of unmanageable external events and an inner circle of internal judgments. Toxic people operate in the chaotic outer ring. The Stoic focuses entirely on fortifying the inner circle, letting the chaos burn out. Power returns to you in the moment you accept you cannot change them and focus entirely on governing your own mind. You will never fix them. It is not your responsibility to repair their broken patterns, no matter how much you might want to. Truth 7 introduces the tactic of strategic absence. Toxic people count on your predictable availability. By deliberately withdrawing your presence and your attention, you create a void they simply cannot manipulate. Truth 8 is the practice of mindful observation. You learn to watch their behavior like clouds passing over a mountain, seeing the toxicity clearly without absorbing their emotional poison into your own system. Truth 9 involves letting go of the need to be understood. Explaining our perspective to a mind that is fully committed to misunderstanding you is a waste of breath. By removing your physical presence and refusing to offer explanations, you starve the toxic person of the attention they need to survive in your life. Truth 10. Guard your mental energy with the same intensity you would guard your physical safety. Limit your exposure to draining individuals so you can conserve your life force for the pursuits that actually matter. Truth 11 introduces the Stoic ideal of apatheia, or emotional self-sufficiency. This state of internal stability allows you to maintain your composure, regardless of the validation that toxic people deliberately withhold. The Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius woke up to this reality nearly 2,000 years ago. He wrote in his private journal that encountering meddling, ungrateful, and arrogant people is an unescapable fact of daily life. But he also recorded his ultimate countermeasure. He reasoned that while he couldn't control their toxic behavior, they possessed no power to force him to become ugly in response. When you finally stop participating in their dysfunction, their games collapse. Your silence is your greatest strength, and claiming your own unshakable peace is the final victory.